morning, Group 52, 1 Corinthians chapter 2, verse 9. But as it is written, eye hath not seen, nor ear heard, neither has it entered into the hearts of men, the things that God has prepared for them that love him. Many of us know the verse, but have you allowed it to soak in? This means that there are things so wonderful God has prepared for you that he hasn't even written them in scripture. There's moments reserved just between you and God. He wants to know you that intimately. He hasn't shared it with anyone else, what he has for you. The only question is, will you make time for the one who loves you? Or will you allow yourself to be distracted and taken away by the cares of this world? Group 52, this week, spend some time with the one who loves you. God bless you and have the best week of your life.